In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Google Drive files to another account. This process can be incredibly useful if you're transferring files between personal and work accounts, consolidating storage, or simply passing along important documents to someone else. Let's walk through this straightforward method to make sure your data gets where it needs to go smoothly. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is open the file in Google Drive that you want to transfer. This can be done by navigating to your Google Drive account and selecting the specific file from the list of documents. Just click on it to open it up and ensure it's the correct one you intend to move. Doing this step ensures you have the right file ready for transfer, avoiding any mix-ups or mistakes. Once you have the file open, your next task is to click on the Share option. You can find the Share button typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on Share allows you to manage and change who has access to this file. This is the key feature that enables us to transfer ownership from one account to another, so finding this button is crucial. If you've already shared the file with the account you're transferring it to, select the email address you want to be the new owner. This requires you to have previously invited the new account as a collaborator. If you haven't done this yet, you'll need to add their email to the share list by clicking on Share with People and Groups and entering their address. Remember that having the email address added is a necessary step before proceeding with the transfer. Now, look for the down arrow next to the person's email that you want to transfer ownership to. Clicking this arrow provides a drop-down menu. In this menu, locate the option that says Transfer Ownership. This is a critical moment because choosing this option will fundamentally change who controls the file. You'll want to be certain you've selected the correct email address before moving forward. With the new owner's email selected, click the Transfer Ownership option. To finalize this change, you'll need to select Send Invitation. This action sends an email to the chosen account, inviting them to accept the ownership transfer. It's important to communicate with the new owner before doing this so they know to expect the invitation and accept it promptly. Once the new owner has accepted the invitation, the file will officially move to their account, giving them full control. And there you have it, a simple way to move Google Drive files to another account. By following these steps, you can ensure a seamless transfer of your important documents. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.